Properties of cardiac muscle. First one, very important, autorhythmicity. Autorhythmicity. Auto means self and rhythmicity means at regular interval without any external stimulation. One of the main characteristic features of the cardiac muscle is that it can initiate its own impulse rhythmically. This is the inherent rhythmical property is present throughout the cardiac muscle, as evident from the electrophysiological studies of the single fiber from SA node, AV node, atrial muscle, Purkinje fiber, and also from the ventricular muscle fiber. The rate of rhythmicity in different portion, SA node 70 to 80 per minute, atrioventricular 40 to 60 per minute, atrium 60 per minute, bundle of his 20 to 40 potentials per minute. Due to the higher rhythmical property of the SA node, it controls the rest of the cardiac muscle, and when the SA node fails, the AV node takes the charge, and if it fails, the atrium and afterwards the ventricle take the charge of maintaining the heartbeat. Next one is conductivity. The presence of intercalated disc is especially important in allowing cardiac muscle to conduct electrical impulses. I mean, intercalated disc is responsible for conduction. Conduction is speed in cardiac muscle, SA node, AV node. দেখতেই পাচ্ছ তোমরা সেম। এখন কোশ্চেন তোমাদের মনে আসতে পারে যে কেন রিদমিসিটি অটো রিদমিসিটির ক্ষেত্রে SA নোডের বেশি এবং কন্ডাকশনের ক্ষেত্রে SA নোডের 0.05। এটা কজ হচ্ছে SA নোডে রেস্টিং মেমব্রেন পটেনশিয়ালটা লেস নেগেটিভ। লেস নেগেটিভ থাকার জন্য যা হচ্ছে as resting membrane potential is less negative, যেটা হচ্ছে about -55 to 60 millivolt, and threshold level is -40 millivolt, so it reaches to threshold level more earlier and produce more action potential. And conduction velocity is lowest in SA node. Why? Because of resting membrane potential is much less negative in SA node and action potential occurs more earlier. Why it is less negative in SA node? Because due to its inherent property, it is naturally leaky to sodium and potassium ions. Then আমরা চলে আসি excitability, contractility. Excitability, it is as usual excitable like other muscle by adequate stimuli and response by contraction. Adequate stimuli te excited hobe এবং contraction হবে cardiac muscle এ, and contractility property active myosin fiber আছে এখানে, তাহলে contractility এটা একটা cardiac muscle এর property. এখানে দুটো ল দেখা যাচ্ছে, অল অর নন ল অ্যান্ড ফ্র্যাঙ্ক স্টার্লিং ল, খুবই ইম্পর্টেন্ট দুটি ল। অল অর নন ল যেটা বোঝা যাচ্ছে তা হচ্ছে ইফ অ্যাডিকুয়েট স্টিমুলেশন ইজ অ্যাপ্লাইড টু কার্ডিয়াক মাসল, it will respond to best of its ability, but if the stimulus is not adequate, it will not respond at all. And the Frank-Starling's law, it comprises within the physiological limit, the greater the initial length of cardiac muscle fiber, the greater will be the force of contraction. এখানে greater initial length বলতে আমরা ইন্ডাস্ট্রিয়ালিক ভলিউমকে মিন করে থাকি। The last one is refractory period. Refractory period is the interval of time. It is the interval of time during which a normal cardiac impulse cannot re-excite an already excited area of cardiac muscle. In absolute refractory period, no response after a strong stimulus. Absolute refractory period টা হচ্ছে 0.25 to 0.30 seconds. And রিলেটিভ রিফ্র্যাক্টরি পিরিয়ডের ক্ষেত্রে an addition period of 0.05 second during which is